Bihira po ako makakita ng mga ganitong events, especially focusing on sustainability. So I just want to thank again Philippine Star Robinsons for hosting and inviting us to this event. So siguro po, dun sa Q&A, mas masasagot pa natin yung ibang detalye regarding dun sa topic natin today. So, ayun po. Thank you so much for your time and hope to have a meaningful discussion.
Applause please for Sir Dax.
Thank you.
Hi, I believe meron tayong Mr. Universe portion.
Q&A.
Sige, I will stay. Diba? Mataba ang lupa. But since we're talking about lupa, kanina when you were starting your talk, Sir Dax, about that, let's start with the soil. Of soil and farming practices impact the produce we buy.
Feeling ko college ako ulit. We can